Hello and welcome back to the channel HardWizardInfo, and today I will show you how to allow sensitive content on X. So I will do that using my browser because actually when I tried to do that from my mobile application, I didn't manage to do that because I simply didn't see such option to allow sensitive content. So if you have that problem too, just use your browser, that's no problem. But if you use your mobile application, then do not worry because the process is absolutely the same and all you have to do is just follow my steps. Okay, so I signed into my account, my X account, and now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then go to Privacy in Safety and enter section that says Content You See. And this is at the top, the function that I didn't see on my mobile phone, on my mobile application, display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to allow sensitive content on X, then you want to make sure that you have your tick in this checkbox so that it was blue, because by default it's empty like this and you have to tap it and boom, it's active. Yes, so now you will see sensitive content in your X feed. And additionally, if you want to have sensitive content displayed in your search and results when you search for something on X, then you want to enter search settings right here and make sure that you don't have a tick in this checkbox next to line that says hide sensitive content. So yeah, that's basically it, but if you followed my steps, you did everything right and you still cannot see sensitive content on X, then you should try using your VPN. So download VPN and connect to United States of America, or you can connect to some Western Europe countries, because those regions, these are the regions that do not ban this sensitive content on X. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.